Welcome to the third portion of the Google quiz lesson. Now we are going to see how to change the settings to send the Google quiz that we have created. We have already created a Google quiz. Now I'm going to settings. That is this flower button which I clicked here and I came to the setting. There is a general option which collect email addresses, which we have seen in the first lesson itself, and we have checked that. Suppose you want your recipients to receive the response they have submitted to you, you can click on this. If the respondent requests for the submission of their responses, the recipient can receive their responses. If you remove this, your students cannot see the answers that they have submitted to you in the quiz, and you are limiting the response to one so that the student can answer the entire quiz only one time, and after that the form will say that they have already submitted the form and they don't have the choice of resubmitting it. Now I move on to the second one, presentation. I want to shuffle my questions. So every student is getting the same set of questions, but the order in which the questions are going are different. So Google itself can do that. That is why while creating the quiz, I did not number the question. If I number the question as 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, when I tick this shuffle option, the numbers also will get shuffled. After the second question, there may be a mess up of third question, first question. So all those things, instead of the numbers also will get shuffled. So the students will be totally confused. So now the numbers will not be visible so that I can shuffle the order of the question, and the students cannot over phone. If you are giving time limitation, like 30 minutes, you have to answer this quiz, or 10 minutes you are allowed to answer a quiz, and you are give 10 questions for and students cannot check it with their fellow mates over phone or even Google search. That is not possible because you are restricting the students with your time limitation option. In that case, the shuffle option will be very useful, and you can really grade the assignments, the quiz that has been submitted by your students. Now I move on to, before moving on to quiz, one other information I would like to tell you. Come to this confirmation message. As soon as the student presses the submit button, there should be some compliment, no, there should be some comment to say that the student has submitted. So I have typed here, well done, you have completed your assessment 1. So I have to save every page. I have to say, when I go here also I have to say, when I go here I'm saving, and I save, and then again after saving I come to quiz option. So in quiz, I'm making it as a quiz. This I have to enable so that it gets automatically graded. I need not give gradings. Immediately after, when it should be graded, as soon as the student submits, the entire quiz should be graded. So I'm giving immediately grade it. And the student, should the respondent should see missed questions, correct answers and point values? Yes. If I want the respondents to see all these things, recipients to see all these, I can check these boxes. If I don't want them to see the right answers, I want to talk to them why the answer is right, and I want to give them explanation as a teacher why it is right and what is the point value I have assigned, I can even remove the ticks from the boxes, and I can save it. So I want my recipients to see. To make it transparent, I'm checking all these boxes and saving it. So now the information is saved. Well, we get a question how to set a time limitation for this. There is an add-on option. I have already used add-on options and inbuilt into the form. Some of you will not see this icon on your form. For those people, you have to click on these three dots. When you click on these three dots, see the same symbol is seen here, add-ons. So click on add-ons. That is here. I have taken it outside. So email, I want to limit my form to the students. So I'm setting my limit. This is a form limiter. I'm setting my form limit. So when I go to form limiter, I can say how many students can respond. If I'm sending it to n number of students, if it is a general quiz, a public quiz that I'm sending, I can say. If my students are only 60 in number, I can give the number. So as there are more than 200 participants, I say it 280, 90, okay, 290 responses. I'm sending it to you all. So I'm saying 290 responses, and I'm checking email from owner when submissions are closed. So when submissions are closed, this will give an intimation.